Hello, welcome to another video. All right, so for today's video, I try to make it a little bit shorter for you guys because my videos have been going on for a little bit too long. In this video, we really just did two steps. We did steps 10 and 11, and that was really just the turbos on both sides. Wanted to make this video a little bit shorter just because I did some different things. I didn't really follow the instructions completely according to the paint. I looked up some pictures of the FW11 in detail so I can like see what the engine looked like. I really wish I would have looked at that sooner because I could have maybe done some different things, you know, and I'll tell you guys what that is. So let's go ahead and get a close-up at this, and then you guys can check out the process afterwards. Oh my god! All right, so my camera literally just fell on top of this and snapped this clean off. We're gonna have to go ahead and fix that later with some glue. Oh, it's staying for now. Anyways, so for the turbos down here, I used some of this Vallejo rust weathering so we can give the little rust look to the turbo, because in the instructions all of these pieces are supposed to be just straight up flat aluminum XF16, which is this up here, and in the pictures that I saw these were a little bit darker than that, so I went ahead and just made it like a nice gunmetal for the pipes back there. We added a little bit of the titanium gold here into that little in-between part because that's what the pictures look like, and then there's also some weathering in the back. Oh, you can't really see it that well here, but I know it's there. Okay, so from this angle you might be able to see it, but back there's another little rusted piece. One tip I would give for these steps: don't lock these down into place. I was very lucky and I was able to get them lined up. I didn't intend on it, but they ended up working out perfect for the intercoolers that come next, and could be a little bit more flush right there. You see that? And another tip, if you want to just give it another realistic look, I should have painted this little thing here. A new friend of mine, Carlos, gave me a tip that I can also use shrink wiring stuff. I forgot what it's called, but yeah, you can just heat shrink wiring wrap. I think it is. You just put that for like the silicone kind of things, connectors. So my next kit I'll be doing that for sure. But I'm pretty happy with how this part came out. We added a little bit of weathering to the back of the turbos as well with the panel line accent, just to give it a little bit more depth. And yeah, this was a pretty quick video, so enjoy the time lapse, and if you guys have any tips or questions, please leave them in the comments.